Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Check it out. I've got this KAIWEETS articulating industrial borescope. It's the latest thing. So I have a couple of borescopes and they're cool. They really do help when you drop something into an engine. Can't find it, you can kind of poke around inside. Or I've done it for heating and ductwork as well, trying to figure out where issues are. I've even used it for drain line plumbing stuff, so they're really handy. The downside of those is that the camera either faces straight forward, or some of them, the more fancy models, have a camera that sticks out the side as well, so you get kind of a dual angle. That's great, but again, you're limited to whatever angle that's facing, front or 90. This thing solves that problem. These are really neat. One of my coworkers has one, and I decided to pick this thing up. This one is articulating, so you can go in there and move a little throttle. I'll show you when we take it out of the box, and you can move it throughout the positions over and over. So that's really cool. So let's go ahead. I'll get the camera closer into the table here, and we'll unbox it and see what we got. All right, well, here it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. It is model number KBA01, 4.3-inch screen, 8mm camera. It does do HD, which is kind of impressive for such a teeny camera, and IP67 waterproofing. So I do like, if they're gonna sell automotive tools, that they come in a case. This one's got, it's soft, but it's also got like rigidity to it. Either a blow molded case or this is what I'm looking for, and you probably are too. If you're gonna throw this thing in a toolbox, you don't want it getting beat up or broken. So hey, we got a nice user's manual here, and it's in color, and how to transfer information over if you want to share that with a customer or a client. So here it is, and here's how you control this. See that? Yeah, there's just a wheel here, and that allows us to move it around. Really cool, really cool. So such a huge step up. You know, the originals, the ones that I have two. I have a 6 foot and a 25 foot. They're just this, man. Wherever it bends, it bends. That's great, but that's as far as it can go. This one having that ability to snake around. I mean, and look, you can look back on yourself here. That's impressive. So if I want to stick this down into, I want to see if I got a chipped valve, is what I would use this for. The easiest thing I would use it for. I'm gonna cracked valve, chipped valve, something like that. Take this thing, put the engine at bottom dead center, unscrew the spark plug, drop this thing all the way down to the bottom, and then whip it around and look straight up at my head and see what's going on there. So that's cool. All right, let's go ahead. I don't know if she got power, but we'll go ahead and see if we can power it up. So you have camera mode, video mode, and review. You can turn the light on, which is quite bright, and then we have our setup here. So resolution, you can see here we have top tier resolution, 1080p, and we go okay with that. We can change that around if you want 720. In this case, we'll leave it. Image quality 2 megapixels, 1 megapixel, or VGA quality. We'll leave it at the highest. We're even recording audio, which is cool. What if we're trying to find critters? Right? I have a deaf cat. That cat's dumb. Cat pulled the vent cover off in the middle of winter and crawled through our vent system in our little mobile home, and then got stuck and was howling at 3 o'clock in the morning for somebody to come help her out. Yeah, good stuff. So it does come with a SIM card already, or not a SIM card, a SD card, 30 gig. We can format it and we can go through there, right? But that's it. All right, let's back out of that. All right, pretty cool. So if I can get them both in frame here. Yeah, that is really nice. Very cool. All right, well, cool. I will leave a link to where you can pick one of these things up. But I think that's a huge, huge step up from just a regular borescope where you're kind of trying to figure it all out or having to put adapters on the end there. It just makes it a whole lot easier, I would say. Till next time, my friends, take care.